Saan tayo?
Nasa Yashano kami.
It's so cheap, everything here.
Yeah.
If you're from England, you'll be shocked at how cheap everything is here.
Yeah.
And they've got some nice things. Some stuff here is a bit tacky and
They're
cheap.
not original, but they're not too bad.
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if some stuff here is stolen as well. Look at that Gucci, 600 pesos. So what's that in pounds? That's like £5. If that, well, £6, £7. £8. £8 for Gucci.
Yeah, it's £8.
Yeah, it's Pende's exchange rate.
But at the moment, it'll be £8.50.
That Jordan 1's 500 pesos. That's £7.
Yeah,
£7 for Jordan 1. Yeah, so we've spotted some great imitations here. Instead of Fila, there is Ilan.
Adidas.
Instead of Adidas,
It's Abibas.
Abibas. Yes, we all want a pair of Abibas.
Yeah.
Ayos ang hats. Ayos sombrero. Fila, Puma. Getting me shoes. Bili ako tapos sombrero. Ito. Bumibili na kami ng cat litter. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa Win-Win Resort. Magandang resort talaga ang Win-Win, so natutuwa na kami pumunta doon. The price of petrol in the Philippines. It's like 80p for a litre of petrol, and diesel's cheaper here. Kakarating lang namin. Nandito na sa Win-Win. Ang ganda. Walang takip. Normally, ito ang pwesto namin. Just here. Walang takip. We'll have to go somewhere else. Yeah, we have our set spot. Like Sheldon on the Big Bang Theory with his spot. Yeah, this could work. Can stay here. na ang pagkain namin. Got beef kare-kare, beef and broccoli, egg fried rice. And there's a potato salad coming as well. Then oncoming mango shake. There's our potato salad.
I'm excited.
Yeah, there's our potato salad.
Got your hands sorted on them.
Rub 'em, rub 'em.
Where's your hands?
Good. So I showed you the before and now this is the after. Tapos na kami kumain. Paborito ko ang kare-kare. Pero may natira pa so we can take out the leftover, can't we? Have it later. Tapos na kami sa win-win. Kumusta ang langoy mo? Kumusta ang ligo?
Ang sarap maligo. Grabe.
Yeah, grabe.
Yeah.
Hindi siya naligo.
Sa panaginip, naligo.
Hindi sinulit ang bayad. So, uwi na kami. Kamusta ang ligo? So nice, the weather today hasn't been cloudy or rained. It's unusual for this time of year in the Philippines. Kasi tag-ulan ngayon, so normally umuulan araw-araw. Yeah, it's nice. Tara.
Tara.
Glorious day.
Salamat po.